This is the interchangeable head wrench from Bovidix. It is a combination between a gear wrench, a socket wrench, indexable handle and flexible handle. Now let me show you how it works. Now, the flexible handle can bend 90 degrees either way. An indexable handle can rotate 360 degrees and be locked in any position. In order to reverse direction, the head can be turned around. The metric version comes with 12 different heads with sizes from 8 to 19 millimeters. And the inch version comes with 8 different heads from 5/16 to 3/4 of an inch. And of course it comes with the metal box multi-box size S.